my channel. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you all had a great turkey day, Thanksgiving, and everything like that. As you can see, my hair, I'm trying to let it grow out. So anyway, as you can see from my description here, I just received my Bolzano bag. You hear this? I hope nothing's broken in here, that they didn't fling this against my door, because this is exactly how it comes. It comes regular via USPS mail. So let's get into her and see what I got. If I can open this real quick. There we go. Alright. So for those of you that don't know, I got my handy notes right here. Got this at the Target dollar spot several months ago. Show this in every video. This is the Bolzano handbag and purse and accessories. I believe I'm supposed to have the companions, which is an additional $10. So I paid $33.95 for the purse and accessories, and then I also paid where you're supposed to get the purse, two to three accessories, and then the bag is valued at whatever the bag is for that month. Shipping is free in the U.S. In Canada, it's $30. The purse companion that feels like this is the purse companion in here is an additional $10. So I paid a total of $43.95 for a really nice handbag that's Italian vegan leather, so not cruelty to animals. And the companion's supposed to have 2 to 3 fragrances and or cosmetic items, either makeup, brushes, or whatever. Anyway, here we go. It always comes in a nice duster like this, so you can use it to store your bag when you're not using it, or even use it to gift it to someone else. And this month, I've got my little tag that says, "You deserve to be spoiled." I think we all deserve to be spoiled every once in a while. So I hope there's somebody in your life that spoils you or shows you how much they love you. They don't have to spend any money. Just spending time with somebody can show them how much, oh, this is beautiful, how much they love you. So here's the bag. This is beautiful. Would have liked a better bag for the holidays, but look at this patchwork. Like, it looks like a quilt on the one side, and it's nice and soft. And then it's a black color, nice neutral shade. And let's see, it's got little handles here, and then it's got the big handle right here. So it fits on my shoulder just fine. Perfect. So let's get the plastic off, if I can get it off. Oh, brother. I needed to bring scissors in here with me. That's what I need to bring, not my X-Acto knife. There we go. And the other side. All I need is to damage this bag before I get to use it. There we go. Nope, the other side's not coming off as easy and as nice as the other side did. It's going to come off in pieces. Anyway, here's what the bag looks like. It's a nice black bag. It does have, there we go. It does have, like I said, the patchwork quilting on this side. It does have the little feet on the bottom for when you put it on the floor or set it on something so your bag isn't touching the dirty floor. As I said, it does have the longer strap that you can attach to right here. Look how wide this is. Oh, let me turn it this way so you can see. This is how wide this bag is. This bag is beautiful. It has a zipper at the top, so it keeps everything inside. It has a zipper here in the back with a little pretty decent sized pocket. You can put your cell phone in there, or pens if you carry those in your purse, or your chapstick, anything you want to get to right away. It does have your typical inside with the pocket right here in the back where you could put your monthly items that you need. And then there's two little pockets here on the other side that just sit out. You can't see them. They're right here. These two little pockets right here. You can put makeup or whatever in those. And then you got the bottom of the bag. This is a really nice bag. And then it just zips shut. And it's silver. I love silver. So here's what it looks like. I'm going to set this down. And then I'm going to reach in here and see what else I've got. Here are some additional items. And then I've got a card right here. Here we go. Congratulations on signing up to receive surprise and styling each month. This month we've chosen our Elvira, E-L-V-E-R-A, especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $205. Elvira is part of our new fall collection. It comes in plum, peach cream, and black. Peach cream is together, that's one color. What we love about this bag, it has sturdy handles, convenient long strap, a zipper back pocket, purse feet, zipper close, inside multifunctional pockets, and quilted feel, that feeling on the front. It's really nice. And here's the card so you can see it a little bit better. So just so you know that you can, if you want a different color, say I don't like this, but who doesn't like black? But maybe you're not a black person. Maybe you want the plum one or a more the peach cream one, which is this color right here, I'm assuming. You can always exchange your bag for a different color. If you don't like this style, they'll change it for you. If the bag is sent was not one within your selected preferences, that's the thing I love about this company. You fill out this big, huge quiz. They ask you anything and everything. I didn't even know there was all these different kind of bags. What you like, what you don't like, what colors you like. Do you like gold, silver, rose gold? Same for your accessories, rose gold, gold. They ask you anything and everything you can think of. Do you like crossbody, knapsacks, anything, backpack looking ones? Do you like the big, big tote bags, little bags, clutches? Believe me, I've never seen a quiz so thorough in my life. And yes, it will take you a while to go through it, but I am so grateful that they're this thorough so that you get what you want. And you're less likely to send it back and say that it's not what you like. But if it is within the preferences of that quiz, as I said, the exchange is complimentary if it's not a bag that isn't in your things that you say you like. But if it was within your preferences, and you want an exchange, you just pay for the shipping. So there you go. So if I wanted to tweak my style, say next month, you know, the new year is coming, or I don't know, it's not like it's beach season. Maybe in the beach season you want a bigger bag for a beach bag, so you can go to the beach, pack it with all your stuff. You just simply go to the quiz, go to your account, and go to your profile and redo your style profile and tell them I want a big huge bag, or I want a clutch, or I want a crossbody because I'm going to be traveling and I want a bag that is safer, that I can keep on me more. So here's the one that's doing this. So let's see what is in here. Let's open this up first. It's only stapled shut. So what is this? Oh, alright. Okay. Okay. Look at this. I got a little, I don't know what it is. Is it a headband thing? Let's see. Is this what this is for? It's got all these beads and pearls on it and stuff. Oh, my hair. I don't know. I gotta pull my hair through the back. Maybe I need to do that before I bring it up. Let's do this. There we go. Is this what this is for, right? It's meant to be like this? Oh, I can wear this at Christmas maybe. At work. Not that I'm wearing anything pink. But there we go. Next item in here. Yeah, this is my accessories bag. So I've got, oh look how cute. I've got some little macaroons on a keychain right here. I've got this keychain. That looks really cute. That's really cute. I really like that. And look, it's got an Eiffel Tower on it. The Tour d'Eiffel. Isn't that pretty? I like this. I really like this. This is cute. What is this? This is just a little bow. Oh, how cute. And it goes with the thing, with the pearls. So there's that. Got a keychain. Do these open? They look like they open, but they don't. I don't want to break them, but okay. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. Too much goodies right here. And then I've got this nice little Paris little case. Isn't that cute? We open this up, and oh my goodness. It's all the other accessory things. This month, everything is pearls. Kind of. So I've got this little clip for my hair that goes with the pearl. Looks like that, if you can see it. And then I have 2 pairs of earrings. Or no, this isn't 2 pairs of earrings. This is 1 pair of earrings, and they look like this. So those are really nice. I'll actually get some use out of these. See, they're tiered. I thought they were 2 different kinds, but those are really nice. That's really nice. I like this little thing. This is pretty cute. So there we go. I don't know exactly what I would use this clip for, but maybe I'll give it to somebody at work as a part of my, ooh, that's loud, part of my white elephant gift exchange. I mean, it is really nice. We'll see. We shall see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see how Miss Terry feels when it gets a little bit closer. And then there's this. This has all the, it looks like the makeup, the companion. So in here, I've got what looks like a bath bomb. Yep. Charcoal and lavender bath bar. It's 2 ounces. It's got activated charcoal, organic coconut oil, organic palm oil, purified water, safflower oil, castor oil, the shea butter, goat's milk, essential oil, doesn't tell me what kind, sorbaten olat, propylene glycol, vegetable origin. Why is there a oat protein, titanium dioxide, glycerin, which is a humectant, but it's way down here at the end, sodium hydroxide, sorbitol, and mica. Mica isn't good. But there's this. It looks like that. So it's just a bath bar for you to wash your hands, I guess. The next item in here is in a nice little jar. It is a mud scrub, charcoal and tea tree scrub / mask. So here's what this looks like. It says, make your skincare work overtime. Knock out your beauty routine in 1 hit. Mud scrub is a cleanser, scrub, and mask all in one. Activated charcoal, tea tree, and kaolin clay work together to detox and refine your skin. Perfect for normal combination oily skin. Massage onto wet skin, into circular motion, allow to dry, wash away with a damp cloth, follow with a moisturizer. Nice. It does have all this stuff on the side. It's vegan, it has a natural stamp, eco-friendly, and cruelty-free. All of it right here. So So let's see if it has a seal or something on it. Nope, it doesn't. Looks like someone put their finger already in it. See? That's not my finger. But I can smell. I think I'm smelling the charcoal and the tea tree oil. I'm definitely smelling what smells like leaves, so it smells like a tree. And there's one final item in this, and it's wrapped in whatever this is, and it says Undergirl. This is what's making all the noise in here. It says Wonder Girl Mini. Oh, I know what this is. I think it's that scrubber thing. Open this up. Come on, get out of the little cloth. Yeah, see, that's what I thought. It's broken. At least the plastic part is. But it is one of those, it's an Undergirl Mini version 2. It's a revolutionary T-Sonic facial cleansing device. But as you can see, my plastic is all jacked up here. Oh, it's totally even falling apart on the inside. Let's see if it's broken. Well, it's got plastic attached to it, but I'm hoping it's not broken. So we will find. We will find out when I try to use it. Because right now, I probably need to charge it. Anyway, I'm going to put that back where I got it from. So there's that. I think everything this month is really good. I just wish this wasn't, I'm hoping it's not damaged. But this is really nice. This is, I don't know how much this is, but I know it's not cheap. So I think I did pretty good. I got a decent bag. I got me a facial scrubbing device. I've got me a bath soap for cleaning my soap. I've got a hair pin with pearls on it. I've got this, whatever this is, because it's got pearls on it too. So, yeah, I don't see this as being something to use to hold your hair back, but we'll see. I got a keychain. I love this keychain. You could either hang this on your purse or actually use it as a keychain. And what else did I get? I got the mud scrub. I got the barrette. I said that already. And I got this little suitcase that's got the earrings inside. Has these earrings on the inside. So I think this is a really good good subscription this month. I think it did really good. So let me know down in the comments what you think of this month's subscription. I will link their website down below. It is not an affiliate link. It's not anything. It's just a link to their website. I don't get anything for it. It's just for you to go and check it out and just see what they're all about. They have several different subscriptions. I'm pretty sure they've got some stuff in there that you could even get a gift for a friend or for your mom, or even maybe the man in your life, get him a wallet. But anyway, I do hope you all are having a great evening, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, everybody.